Hey guys, look at this beautiful bird who visited my house today. Although we used to hear so many birds chirping around us, but this bird came near to me and I thought it was injured, but no. She actually come to meet me, I guess, and we spent almost half an hour together and she flew away. Maybe he, I really don't know how to identify bird's gender. If you know, please do comment. And the name of this bird is flycatcher, Indian paradise flycatcher. By the help of Google, I got to know. And guys, I think you can also hear some birds chirping in the background. And this is my therapy after every hectic day. It is so relaxing. Bye bye, guys.